Air is different wherever you go. Different types of air are called air masses. Fronts are the borders between two air masses. When two masses combine, they cause turbulence, leading to cloud formation or storms to develop. Air masses are given two-part names depicting humidity and temperature characteristics of where they formed. The first part describes humidity. If they formed over the ocean, they are called maritime air masses. Over land, they are continental. The second part of their name indicates temperature depending on latitude. Near the Arctic, it's an Arctic air mass. Far north, that's a polar air mass. Near the equator or tropics, then they're called equatorial or tropical air masses. When air masses move into different environments, they can add humidity or become drier. Cold and warm air masses usually come together at the mid-latitudes, like the United States, and can produce massive storms.